you need to stop sending those spam messages. In case you've tried selling on WhatsApp and you got ignored, I can tell you are not alone. You see, 9 out of 10 people make this mistake, and this is what is killing your sales. But don't worry, I'll be walking you through how to fix this problem in the next 5 minutes, and you start making sales with your WhatsApp. This is number 1 mistake, big mistake people makes when selling on WhatsApp. You can see this is my WhatsApp. For instance, let's suppose I'm selling shoes. I want to market this my contact. I will tap it. Over 90% of people using WhatsApp make this mistake. They just go to their gallery. Don't forget, I'm selling shoes. People will just collect randomly what they sell, select it like the way I'm selecting it. Maybe they decide to write this: I sell shoes, please buy from me. God bless you. What they do is to just send massively. You can see the way I just sent, and they will pick this like this, and they will start sending to many people. When they receive it, this is what it will look like. When they tap it, they see different type of things they sell like this. You can see this is what most people using WhatsApp to sell. This is what they do. They blast their contact randomly or group or forward to channel just like this, and they will test them with flyers, no price, no details, and no professionalism. This is wrong. It can lead to so many things. You see, not only does this look unprofessional, but people will quickly report you for spamming them or simply even block you. That means that your business dies before it even starts. This is a wrong way to sell, but I will be showing you the right way to do it. Just before I show you this solution, I need you to pause for a second. Have you sent or received a copy and paste spam message on WhatsApp this week? Have you? Let me know in the comment section. And what product was it for? For you to fix this problem and sell on WhatsApp for business the right way, you go to your catalog. You can see show products and services. You see, you can create a product catalog that works like a mini store. It will be your front store. So you tap your catalog. You will add whatever you are selling. Don't forget, I'm selling shoes, but your own could be pepper. You can be farming product. You can even be a legal practitioner. You can be a fish farmer. You can sell anything on WhatsApp for business. So you will add it here. You go to your gallery. This is my gallery. Let's select this. I select this. You tap this. You upload it. As soon as you upload, you scroll down and you fill the necessary detail. Then it will save. So you make sure you upload all your items. You can see men's slippers, 2,000 naira, different color available, buy in box and get discount. It will go through the necessary approval. These are different shoes that I've uploaded successfully in my catalog. All I need to do now is to share the link of this catalog to my buyers in my groups, channels, status, or broadcast this catalog to selected buyers. Let me show you. All I need to do is to pick a link and tap share. I can even copy a link. Suppose I share this my catalog with some of my major buyers. You see it like this. I'm sending like this. Sent. Let me send to another person. Sent. Look at it. It has been sent. Let me show you how my buyers will see my catalog. This is how they will see what I've sent to them. As soon as my buyer receive this link and they decide to tap this link like this, look at the way it displays men's shoes with the price and the description I wrote. If they scroll down, they will see the payment detail. Not only that, if they scroll down the more, they can see other shoes that they can buy. Look at it. If they click all, they can easily come to men latest shoe and tap see all. Look at it. They can easily view all these shoes. Look at it. Different shoes. All they need to do is to add to cart. They can decide to pick the kind of shoe they want. They tap this one. They add it to cart. Look at it. They go back. Maybe the person likes this. Tap this. Tap add it to cart. You can decide to view the cart and you'll be able to view the estimated total. This is the right way to use WhatsApp to sell. You can see the difference. You don't have to type the price or description again. It is all there, packaged professionally. Customer can browse and see details and contact you directly. All they need to do is to tap place order. Look at it. It has been sent to the seller. Let me show you when it gets to me. I'm the seller. Look at it. This is an order sent by buyer. I will just tap it. I will see that order has been placed by one of my buyers. I will view to receive the cart. I will view it. This is how the seller, you that is using the WhatsApp to sell, this is how you see it. And your buyer will pay with the account number and be able to release the product, or in case you are selling services, be able to delight your customers. So this is how you build a brand with WhatsApp for Business, a brand that people will trust and they can actually want to buy from you. What you've just seen now is just one single mistake. It's a major one that people make when selling on WhatsApp. There are so many other mistakes that is preventing you from making sales. I have created a full step-by-step training called WhatsApp Business Mastery. In this training, I walk you through everything you need to know about WhatsApp for Business, starting from how to set up your WhatsApp business, to start making sales, how to effectively use your catalogs, which is your front store, how to best use your channels, how to accept payment on your WhatsApp for Business both locally and internationally, and how you can easily place advertisements on both inside your WhatsApp, on Facebook, Instagram, or on any social media platform, and much more. Here is the deal. Because I believe so much in empowering my community, that is you, my audience, this WhatsApp Business Mastery course is going to launch very soon. In fact, in matter of days, with a 72-hour discount. During this launch week, that is within that 3 days, you are going to get this course for 10,000 Nigerian naira. That is if you are from African countries, or $39.99 internationally. But after that, it's going to cost 25,000 Nigerian naira, or $49.99 for my international audience. So you have this period to subscribe and get this course for a lifetime access. All you need to do right now is to use the link below the description of this video to follow me on my WhatsApp channel or subscribe to this channel. With that, you get to know when this course is launched, and that is going to be very soon. Please don't miss this for anything. The next thing you need to do for me now is to please like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.